The Quick Parts Gallery is just one of several areas in Microsoft Word that provide you with ready-to-use document parts that you can select and insert into your document. Things like cover pages, headers, footers, and so on. Each of these areas also allows you to save your own selected information into that gallery to customize your document. While the cover page, header, and footer commands all have ready-made document parts, the Quick Parts Gallery is empty. This is where you'll want to save those frequently used items that need more flexibility regarding insertion location. For example, I would like to save the customer information table on my form. To save information to the Quick Parts Gallery, make sure it's selected, and then select the Quick Parts command found on the Insert tab within the text group. At the bottom of the command list, select Save Selection to Quick Parts Gallery. This displays the Create New Building Block dialog box, which is the same dialog box that would appear if you were saving the selection to cover pages, headers, footers, and so on. At the top of the dialog box is the Name text box, which by default uses the first few words of the selection. You can keep this or type in your own name for the quick part. The next text box allows you to define which gallery you want this information to appear in. Notice that you have all of the galleries to choose from, but to have more flexibility regarding insertion location, I'll leave the default Quick Parts. The next text box allows you to define the category heading, and these will be different if you selected another gallery. However, all of them allow you to create your own categories by selecting the Create New Category option. In the Create New Category dialog box, in the Name text box, I'll type in My Form. Then select OK at the bottom of the dialog box. The next text box allows you to type in a description of the selected information if needed. Save In, by default, saves the quick part or building blocks to buildingblocks.docx, where all of the building blocks are stored locally on your computer. And finally, Options allows you to define the insertion behavior. Insert content only, insert content in its own paragraph, or insert content in its own page. Once you've made your selections, click on OK at the bottom of the dialog box.